Tired of fraud headlines making you sweat about your Shopify store's security? Let's break down if Apple Pay is actually safer for your Shopify business in the next minute and a half. First, let's get into the core benefit: tokenization. Instead of your customer's actual credit card number being transmitted to you or stored on your servers, Apple Pay generates a unique, one-Amuse token for each transaction. This token is useless to hackers if intercepted. Next up, biometric authentication. Apple Pay requires customers to verify their identity using Face ID or Touch ID. This adds a powerful layer of security, ensuring that only the cardholder can authorize the purchase, significantly reducing fraudulent transactions. This enhanced security translates to increased customer trust. Customers feel more confident making purchases when they know their payment information is protected, potentially leading to higher conversion rates and repeat business for your Shopify store. And here's a final point: Apple Pay utilizes advanced encryption and a secure element within the Apple device to further protect payment data during transmission and storage, offering a robust defense against data breaches. So, is Apple Pay safer for your Shopify store? The answer is a resounding yes. Tokenization, biometric authentication, and advanced security measures offer significant advantages in fraud prevention and customer trust. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more e-commerce tips.